Hi, welcome to the course. Myself Muhammad Yaqub. I am the founder of ScratchLearn. First of all, thank you for showing interest in learning artificial intelligence. If you don't have any prior knowledge in AI, please don't worry. We have structured this course in a way that you can start from scratch and you can become an AI expert. To ensure a smooth learning experience, we have divided the course into three major parts. First part, it's all about how artificial intelligence works and how artificial intelligence came through human intelligence, and what are the similarities between human intelligence and artificial intelligence, and what are the different fields are there in artificial intelligence, for example machine learning, deep learning, NLP, generative AI, etc. And then what is the architecture or flow is followed in training the AI model. While developing an AI model, there's a common architecture or flow is maintained. We also get to know about what is the flow in detail in this part. This second part all about, we'll be seeing detailed about each fields, how each field started, how it's evolved, and what are the challenge it faced while evolving, and how it's shaping the future today. So that we'll be learning each field in depth, in detail as a theoretical part. And third part, it is a completely practical learning. We have chosen a lot of real world problems and use cases, and we have developed a lot of real world projects. You'll be learning AI using real world projects respective to the each fields, so that you can become an AI expert through this practical learning. Let's get started.